Find out why your railroad needs Rail Movement Planner, the real-time train circulation planning system. How do you increase productivity on a rail network? Would it be better to purchase new trains or build more tracks? Or would better planning improve my production? This growth might require many new assets. Therefore, you need to set your growth plan. That is, doing more with less. The better your plan, the greater your efficiency. But how? By using a system to analyze different operational scenarios, to simulate to get the best train circulation plan, and to support real-time decision-making. This system is the Rail Movement Planner. We talked about growth, but what about maintenance? Do I need to choose between production or maintenance for my railroad? No, you can balance both in the same context. This is possible with a train circulation plan adherent to the railway business goals. Therefore, it's important that the plan considers preventive maintenance to ensure a safe operation. This is possible with the Rail Movement Planner, the system that plans the production, and is also adherent to the preventive maintenance plan. Rail Movement Planner. Effective and optimized train circulation planning in real time. Count on us to get the best performance out of your railroad.